In this video, we show you how to use the FibeTV app to control your FibeTV receiver. Lost? Damaged? Used as a chew toy? You can easily replace your FibeTV remote 24/7 at bell.ca. In the interim, you can use the FibeTV app to control your FibeTV receiver. To begin, using a smartphone or tablet, connect to your home Wi-Fi and open the FibeTV app. In the top right-hand corner, tap the cast icon. Tap Add a Receiver, then tap Next. Now on the remote, press the Apps button. If you have lost your remote, on the front of the receiver, press the menu button and navigate using the arrow keys. Under Bell Apps, choose FibeTV app. Next, select Pair a device. Press Next. Now back on the FibeTV app, enter the 4-digit code shown on your TV and tap Pair device. You can give your receiver a name or use the default and tap Next. You can also give your mobile device a name or just tap Next. You will now see Pairing Successful on your TV. Tap Close the pairing screen on My TV, followed by Finish to complete the process. To access playback controls, tap the floating gray bar at the bottom. Grab your boogie board, you're ready to start channel surfing. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or visit our community forum at bell.ca/forum.